Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a moving border in CapCut Mobile. So first, you can just add your videos into CapCut like this and go to Overlay. Click on Add Overlay and go to the CapCut library. Find the black overlay here. Rotate the position into a 90 degrees and fit the size until the black screen cover all of your videos. And after that, you can add two keyframes at the overlay here, one at the start and one at the other end, like this. And on the second keyframe, go to Mask, then select the horizontal option like this and click on Invert. And after that, drag the masking to the right like this. Click on the check icon and go to the first keyframe. Go to Mask again and then drag the yellow line all the way to the end like this to the right. Click on the check icon and duplicate this overlay and drag it to the bottom. Now on the second overlay here, go to the second keyframes and go to Mask. Now click on Invert. And after this, you can just drag the yellow line to the left like this. You can adjust the size to your liking. I'm going to go with this. Click on the check icon and on the first keyframe, go to Mask again and drag the yellow line all the way to the left like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the result for the moving border. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.